If you're wondering how to reset washing machine Hotpoint, the process is quite simple, even though Hotpoint washers don't come with a dedicated reset button. The easiest way to reset your machine is by pressing and holding the Start Reset button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. While still holding that button, press the On-Off button until it beeps 3 times. This will allow you to reprogram the machine with your desired settings. However, if your washing machine is stuck mid-cycle or running the wrong program, a hard reset might be necessary. This type of reset helps clear any glitches and restores the machine's factory settings. How to do a hard reset on a Hotpoint washing machine. If your washer has stopped working properly due to a power outage, an unbalanced load, or a software glitch, a hard reset may solve the issue. Here's how to do it. Unplug the washer from the main power supply and leave it unplugged for at least 1 hour. This ensures the circuit board fully discharges. If you plug it back in too soon, the washer may resume the cycle where it left off instead of resetting. Check the program dial and make sure it is set to any position except final spin or spin. Ensure the water supply is turned on before plugging the washer back in. Press the On button and select your desired program. Run a test wash with a spin cycle to see if the issue is resolved. If the machine still gets stuck at certain stages or won't start, there may be a hardware malfunction that requires further troubleshooting. Since Hotpoint washers don't have a reset button, following these steps is the best way to reset the system and get your machine running again.